Twitter stock, everything you need to know. Elon Musk, the billionaire CEO of Tesla Inc. and the world's richest person, has bid to acquire Twitter Inc. On April 25th, Twitter's board of directors approved Musk's $44 billion offer, paving the way for the billionaire to buy the company and take it private. For months, the back and forth between Musk and Twitter has been widely publicized. Now that a deal is done, investors will look closely at how Musk's purchase might affect their investments. The implications are especially significant for Twitter shareholders and users. So, how did the deal impact the market as well as users? Impacts on Twitter users. Musk, as sole control of Twitter, could implement several platform changes, including several that he has speculated about and advocated for publicly. For example, Musk has expressed interest in adding an edit button that would allow users to go back and change previously posted tweets. However, this is also a contentious issue that Twitter's leadership has so far resisted. Musk has also stated his intentions to open source the algorithms to increase trust and authenticate all humans. According to Musk, these and other goals aim to ensure that Twitter allows free speech. It's difficult to say how these changes affect the average Twitter user. Still, users may be required to submit additional information for verifications, rules regarding acceptable content may change, or users who have been banned may be allowed back onto the platform. What to expect? Twitter Inc.'s CEO Elon Musk says new user signups are at an all-time high as he deals with a mass exodus of advertisers and users fleeing to other platforms due to concern about verifications and hate speech. As of November 16, signups averaged over 2 million per day, up 66% from the same week in 2021, Musk said in a tweet late Saturday. He also stated that users' active minutes were at an all-time high, averaging nearly 8 billion active minutes per day in the previous 7 days as of November 15, a 30% increase over the same week last year. According to Musk, reported impersonations on the platform increased earlier this month, both before and after the launch of Twitter Blue. Musk, who also owns the rocket company SpaceX, the brain chip startup Neuralink, and the tunneling company The Boring Company, has stated that acquiring Twitter would accelerate his goal of creating an everything app called X. According to the tweet, Musk Twitter 2.0, the Everything app, will include features such as direct encrypted messages, long-form tweets, and payments. Musk said in another tweet early Sunday that he sees a path to Twitter surpassing 1 billion monthly users in 12 to 18 months. Advertisers on Twitter, including major corporations such as General Motors, Mondelez International, and Volkswagen AG, have paused advertising as they deal with the new bot. Musk stated that the new advertiser retreat was causing a massive drop in revenue for Twitter. He blamed a coalition of civil rights groups pressuring the platform's top advertisers to take actions if it did not protect content moderation. After Musk lifted the ban on tweets by former US President Donald Trump, activists are urging Twitter's advertisers to issue statements about pulling their ads from the social media platform. Hundreds of Twitter employees are believed to have left the troubled company after Musk issued an ultimatum demanding that employees sign up for long hours at high intensity or leave. Earlier in November, the company laid off half of its workforce, including teams responsible for communications, content curations, human rights, machine learning ethics, and some product and engineering teams. The roller coaster ride continues. Twitter reported quarterly results in late July, showing that its revenue fell 1.2% year-on-year to $1.18 billion with a net loss of $270 million, reversing a net profit in both the previous quarter and the previous year. This contributed to Twitter's history of inconsistency in profitability. In addition, the company's average monetized daily active users increased by 16.6% to 237.8 million. However, this figure must catch up to the company's 315 million active users target by 2023. Management offered several explanations for the poor quarterly performance. In addition to the uncertainty surrounding the Musk transaction, management mentioned the current economic environment's impact on advertising spending. Investors should not have been surprised by the latter. After all, we have recently seen social media competitors Meta Platforms and Snapdeal with the same issue. Wall Street analysts now expect Twitter's revenue to increase by only 2.3% yearly to $5.19 billion in 2022. They anticipate a 13.3% increase in revenue next year. However, given the current macroeconomic conditions, investors should take those projections with a grain of salt. But is the stock a buy? The social media stock currently has a price-to-sales multiple of 6.1, close to 3-year lows. Twitter stock appears volatile until the Musk situation is resolved and macro headwinds are resolved. Before deciding whether to buy shares, we'd recommend sitting back and waiting for the digital advertising market to recover and the legal battle with Musk to end. It isn't a good idea to invest in Twitter until the long-term picture becomes clearer. In today's market, there are far better investment options available. What do you think of Twitter stock? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more.